Hi, it's Kim from Being Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva ambassador. Today I wanted to use some of the editing tools in the Magic Suite to show you how you can turn a photo from something rather dull to a photo with a lovely vivid background by just a few adjustments using Canva's fantastic suite of tools. Let's go over to my screen and have a look. So I've simply uploaded a photo that I've taken of what I thought was quite a pretty house. And now I want to make it look better, because on that particular day, the background was very dull. I want to change this and make it look more interesting. I'm also going to take off the branding, and I'll do a few other things that I think will be really useful so you know what you can do with many of the features in Canva. I'm going to click on Edit Photo at the top here. The first thing I'm going to do is use Magic Eraser to take off the name and some of the advertising around here. Let me click on Magic Eraser. That signage is now gone. Now let me take off this one. A little bit more on that. And see, you may have to fiddle with these sometimes. And now it's removed everything. And let me go over to this part. Let's see what we can do to get rid of this lot. Okay, they've gone, which is great. I'm going to now go back into my photo. Now you can see I've got the photo without the livery that it had. I'm going to retain the original photo so I can show you later. But I'll put these in a different order. You move this up, see how easy that is to do. And this is the one with the livery removed. What I'm now going to do is remove the background. And that was so easy, with just one quick click. And I'm just going to now edit the photo again. And I'm going to adjust the color. And I'm going to ask it to auto adjust. And I think I'd like to make the whole thing a bit brighter. Which will be a nice contrast to the very intense blue sky that I had to add. This now has been brightened up. Now I've done the photo editing. This is a picture of the sky I took the previous day, but it was a beautiful blue sky. I could have just done this with a background, but this actually was how good the sky looked. And what I'm going to do is just pick this up and just drag it down onto this new page. Lining it up, so it's perfect. And there you are, lots of fantastic Canva tools to make what was a very dull photo into something a lot more fun. I'm just going to show you in the grid view so you can see some of the changes that we've made. And this was the original photo, and you can see how much more intense the color is, and the whole photo looks much more appealing in this final version. I hope that helps you use some of the fantastic tools that are available on Canva now in terms of changing a photo and editing it to make it closer to what you want to achieve. If you found this video useful, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to know when I record another video, please hit the notify bell below. And I'll see you next week.